Hi, my name is Evgeny and this is Birdie, a terminal application built with Python that lets you explore birds, their photos, scientific information, and listen to their real song recordings. The project follows a module architecture. Each file has a single responsibility. The main file stays clean and the logic is delegated to the separate modules. When you run the app for the first time, it automatically connects to the SQL database, creates the necessary tables, and fetches all available information from the API using the requests library. So let's start. The CLI is built with EnquirePy and offers 4 options: select a random bird, search by name, browse all birds, and exit. Let's select a random bird. The app immediately starts playing the bird song, recording in the background using PlaySound 3, while simultaneously loading the photos together using PO library, then rendering them directly in the terminal. The terminal size is calculated dynamically to scale the photos correctly. Finally, a bird card is displayed using Reach library, showing all available information. Photos are also available as clickable hyperlinks. Search by name built with autocomplete. Start typing, and app suggests matching birds and select with arrow keys. And browse all birds. Type any part of the name. Let's check. Take Gabin goose. Yep. All the core functionality are covered by tests using PyTests and PyTest mock. Okay, thanks for watching and bye.